How to delete WhatsApp chats permanently. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can delete your WhatsApp chats permanently and by deleting all of the backups from your Google Drive and Android phone as well. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, in order to delete all of your WhatsApp chats as well as all of the backups, we can do this from the WhatsApp app itself by simply deleting all of the WhatsApp chats. So you could go ahead and then select all of the chats that you want to delete and then tap on the permanently delete button in order to delete those chats. But let's say you also want to delete all of the backups. Well, in that case, what you could do is we have another solution. In order to delete the backups if you have saved to your Google Drive, let's say for example, we will need to simply go ahead and then open the Drive app. Once you open the Drive app, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. What you have to do is on the very top left hand side, you can see those three horizontal lines. All you have to do is tap on those three lines. As you tap on the three lines, you'll be able to see a list of different options again. Go ahead and select the option which says backups. As soon as you select backups, you'll be able to see a list of all of the stuffs which you have backed up to Google Drive. And if you have backed up your WhatsApp as well, you'll be able to see WhatsApp stuffs and WhatsApp backup right over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the three dots and then tap on delete backup and then tap on the delete button. If you want to delete the recent one as well, you can tap on the delete button, tap on delete backup, it will ask you for a confirmation. All you need to do is simply delete all of those backups from there. And if you want to delete all of those backups if you've saved on your Android phone, we have to simply first of all locate the File Manager app on our Android. Once we open up the File Manager app, you have to go to your internal storage. As you tap on internal storage, you want to go ahead and look for the folder called WhatsApp, as in this case you can see. Once you select WhatsApp, you'll be able to see a list of different folders. You can see the backups one. You could simply long press on it and then tap on the delete button at the bottom and then go ahead and then delete that particular file. And this is how you can permanently delete your WhatsApp chats, whether you want to delete them from your Google Drive backup or whether you want to delete them from your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.